Do I actually talk in the streams? How the fuck yeah I do? Okay. Hello. 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 What was I gonna say again? I was gonna say, yeah, wait a second. This is gonna be like my first, it's gonna be my first fucking, whatchamacallit, coding stream. That's not completely silent. Bro, okay. I'm not gonna say it's my first coding stream period because it's the first one was that entire 15-hour marathon I did for the global game jam, bro. Ain't nobody talking about a global game jam. I'm actually surprised though, to be fair. Like when I was in the venue, right? Well, not in the venue, like one of the sites, right? The one that I went to, right? There was a bunch of people, right? So I thought there was like a really sophisticated community. You know, there's gonna be a bunch of people who there's gonna be like, okay, yeah, it's got a sophisticated community. It's got, you know, a community. So I thought, you know, I'll be able to like rack up some viewers. Now fuck that, bro. Fuck that. All my strats are failing. Okay, maybe like that last time it was because I just like kept myself completely silent. But here, like, bro, I'm just like fucking raw dogging it at this point, innit? No, I can't lie. I have been wanting to do coding streams for a bit. I think I can talk about that later. I don't know. I want to keep yapping to a minimum here. I wanna lock in. You know what I'm saying? Oh, but first of all, I will need to I think I need to start looking at tutorials, bro. How to Godot how to multiplayer. There you go. There we go. Godot multiplayer tutorial. The quick and easy high level API. Okay. Let's see this. Okay. Like if you like to show you how little knowledge I have on implementing multiplayer in games is wait, let me pull up. Should I pull up a critter? Should I pull off a critter right here? You know what? I'm gonna just do that. Fuck it. Crit with a T with a C. I still don't have a window for this. You. Why is it showing OBS? That makes no fucking sense. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Why is it pure white? Why does it only show you like the screen, the file screen? It doesn't show you like any of the tools. But okay, you know what? We don't need any of the tools. I'm not gonna be doing some like intense drawing today. No, not today. Hey, the only time I did that was when I was doing that one Levy stream when my mic was doubled. When my mic is doubled. But my idea of multiplayer is we got player one, and then this guy's gonna, let's say, what is it, host LAN, and then player two connects here, and if you want me to explain any further than this, you're gonna make my brain commit suicide. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Wait, is this even showing anything? Why is it completely? Why is it like pitch white? Why is it like white? What the fuck? Why? I don't want it to be white. Can you not be white? Crystal.exe. It's not doing shit. Oh fuck. But okay, just imagine a guy who has absolutely zero knowledge on multiplayers. I'm gonna watch a video now. I'm gonna put this on 1.5. Alright, let's start this shit. Oh, should I just make a scene here? Let's make another one of these. Can't save the root node branches in instantiated scene. Oh. I mean, I could just do this and do this, right? Oh shit, that works. Okay. Demo multi scene. Yes, scene. Haro scene. Okay. Does this work here? It does. And by the way, if you're wondering how the two-player controls work, player 1, WASD, right? The normal shit. How do you attack? You press R. And how do you block? You press T. Now, the R and T thing already sounds retarded as fuck, but it gets worse on player 2, right? Player 2 is the arrow keys, right? The conventional, right? Attacking is the shift button. Blocking is the control button. So basically, what was I gonna say? No, yeah, the main problem I had with these key bindings actually was that I'm pretty sure shift and control actually did something about when I exported the game on the web page. So literally, if player 2 tried to even attack and block at the same time, control shift and oh yeah, I think forward slash was one of the controls as well. Yeah, if they if they used like any of those controls like simultaneously and shit, like bro, the web page just becomes finished. That's all I can describe it as. It becomes it's absolutely cooked. So first of all, I don't want those controls. Second of all, I want proper multiplayer. That's what I'm going for, innit? Also, is this like a built-in thing in Guitar? Is there like a built-in thing in Guitar? What the fuck is ENET? Oh no. What do you mean there's a Wikipedia pause list? Oh. Oh, it's just a bunch of port numbers that I can either use or I can't use. Oh shit. Oh, it goes so far down. What? 80, 40, 80, 80. How many are there? 49. Dynamic private or ephemeral ports. This range is used for private or customized services for temporary uses, and it's for automatic allocation. Okay. So these ones I can use? Question mark? So what? Audio relay. Like MQ Classic. What's this guy using? This guy is using 42069. This guy dead ass used 42069. Are you serious? No way, bro. I guess that port works. I don't fucking know. But if that's like the type of shit you use for like temporary stuff, and I guess we could use 42069 as well. It's 42070 taken actually. 42070. It doesn't look like it. Nah, it doesn't look. 420. 590, 595, 420. Yeah, 420, 70 is fine. Okay. So what's this bitch ass doing? Boy is doing network handler. Let's put prototype because apparently there's a more complex way of like implementing networks and shit. I just want to get the hang of multiplayer and everything. You know what I'm saying? Beam. What should do that by my lawyer advised me not to finish that. Where did I put the file? What file? No, oh my days, I keep getting distracted, bro. Let me just basically copy and paste this guy's code. I'm watching Icy Engine. This man's tutorial. Localhost. Okay, localhost. Do I not have to specify like 3000 or some shit? No? Is it? I guess not. Let's use 42070 just in case. Nah, okay, those ports aren't reserved though. That's the thing. I can use 420. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna use 42069. Create server. Oh, this shit's part of the documentation. You know what? I'm gonna pull up the Godot docs. Godot multiplayer documentation. It should come up. Surely it should come up. High level multiplayer. This type of shit. Okay. Because I don't want to look at the low level shit just yet because I've dead ass never done multiplayer before. Each node has a multiplayer property. Trying to get multiplayer. What, this shit? Okay. Right here. Boom! Oh my days, I'm so smart. Wait, do I need to put this on ready? Wait, 1 second. 1 second. This should be in ready. This should be in ready. Right? Here? Oh, I should put this on separate servers, separate functions. I mean, I see. Okay. Create client. Is that what it said? I don't remember what was in on the comments. There we go. Is that how it goes? Port max clients. Oh, max clients. Is this just like the max number of players I can put on? Oh la 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 la, la la la. Should this be the number of players it should be on? Because if that's the case, that's 4. This is gonna be 4, right? Wait, no, because okay. So far, I've got 2 motherfuckers, right? I've got 2 motherfuckers with 2 separate controls. Right, this is fine, but I want to have up to 4 people. I want to have up to 4 people. Blah, 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 blah. I want to have up to 4 people. So I'm guessing I can make this 4. Why? Nah. Let's just do 4. Okay, IC engine, please continue thy video. Bonk. Wait, what? The default's 32? Hello, 32? I don't need to follow the default, right? Less is fine. What do they mean by clients? Do they mean like I can connect the printer onto the server? Or am I asking like the most retarded question in the entire world? What the fuck? Oh, I'm just gonna keep watching the video. Ain't nobody escaping that tutorial hell. Nah, specifically me. I ain't escaping that. Oh, are you dead ass? Like, okay, I'm just gonna stop questioning everything. So what's that? So what is this? It's getting like, is it making like a socket or some shit? Yeah, I'll put you in the corner. Button 1, button 2. I'll pull that. Oh shit, I need to add a script. Brother. Whoa. You making this shit a singleton? Hello? Okay, that's fine. Fine, I'll do it. I mean, okay, you know what? That makes sense. That does make sense. To be fair, I'll dabble with that. Huh. There you go. Okay. Wait, do I not have a? This should just work out, right? And start. What was the function called again? Create client. Wait. Your name is network handler prototype. Your name is indeed network handler prototype. Holy bomba god. This is why I should be naming this shit the same thing as the scripts, bro. Oh my days. The shit in the tutorials. I'm reaching for an apple that's out of reach. Type shit. What am I trying to say? You. Oh, I'm not supposed to add this. Oh shit. Bomba! Holy lack of naming conventions, bro. Yo, I'm telling you, it's my 10 p.m. It's my 10 p.m. dumbass, you know, having 0 brain cells. It's because of that. Okay, now this ain't screaming at me anymore. So I can do the same thing with sub, right? Yeah. File not found. Oh, that's from last time. Okay, so what if I let's add this all here. Countdown. I'm gonna try very hard to integrate this as seamlessly as possible into the existing game, because the tutorial obviously is using a completely empty scene, and when I see a completely empty scene and when I see the fact that when I see something that sways a little bit away from the tutorial at this point, I'm getting a little bit scared. Multiplayer spawner. Motherfucker, 何なんだよ。Good dogs, help me out. Help me out. I need to see this. Add spawnable scene. Clear spawnable scenes. Get spawnable scene. Yeah, huh. Spawn path. Add spawnable scene. What am I supposed to add this scene route? I'm gonna see how much I can absorb from this. How loud is my keyboard, by the way? I've always been wondering, because like, bro, I put a pillow under my mic just to like make it sound a little bit quieter. I remember the last time I was like asking the same question, I was playing League of Legends at the time and I was spamming the keys and I accidentally used flash on the spot. I fingered my flash while I was testing out how the volume of my keys. But right now, bro, I don't got no video games on here. I'm telling you. I'm locked in right now so I can spam my keyboard as much as possible. I mean, in fact, I'm doing that shit right now. What I'm saying is, what was I saying? I was saying that, bro, this pillow has to be like doing all the heavy lifting right now when it comes to noise reduction, because when I take it off, right, I'm gonna just like fucking type for like the next 5 minutes without the pillow on, and I'm gonna show you what the fuck I mean. I see. I do already have a player. the fuck is ID? Whoa. I'm seeing so much shit right now, but oh fuck. It's an argument. It's a fucking argument. God damn it. Spawn. That's already a thing. This is not an argument, right? No, it's not. Okay, what if I delete my players here? Oh, okay. Yeah, right now I've already got this function where I can spawn my characters in, but I think I need to remove this. Ribbity router. Yeah, right here. What kind of bullshit calculation did I do here? I have no recollection of this, because I'll tell you what, chances are I probably programmed this on at like 3 in the morning. But I do see that I can. This is spawning everybody. So I'm gonna not have you spawn everybody. Oh, when do you get called? Check win. That should be alright. That should be alright now. I shouldn't be spawning anything, so it shouldn't be checking wins in the first place. Cinema! Cinema! アップソール言うとシネマなんだよ。Okay, now I just need to like modify this motherfucker. Boop. The synchronizer. What the fuck? Oh, is this to spawn this guy in? Shit, I already have like an ID thing. Yeah, this boy. Set this automatically for multiplayer. Yeah, this, right? So I use player ID 1 and 2 to like kind of alter the key bindings. You know, you see there's the player ID plus left, player ID plus right, and that's because I've got the key bindings separate for each player. You see that P1, and P2 right here. We've got some completely separate key bindings over here, but this, I first of all don't need this shit anymore, and second of all, holy shit, I can't be arsed, man. I can't be arsed to change it, like to overhaul this entire thing. Holy fuck. Okay, let's keep going. Funk enter tree. That's a function. Wait, that sounds so useful though. Enter tree. Wait, in my like 2 or 3 years of touching around Godot, I've never seen or used enter tree before in my life, and it sounds like the most majestic thing ever. What the fuck do you mean enter tree? That sounds such a majestic function. Wait. Okay, my guess is like when you instantiate something and then you put it onto the tree, when you put it like as soon as you put it on the tree. So what, before ready gets called? This thing gets called. Because ready gets called ready gets called when you instantiate it, right? Wait, okay. Let me do a fact check here. Enter tree versus ready. Godot. Is this like the awake and start? Was it starting in Unity? I forgot the equivalent. Was it ready and what is it? Awake and start? Ow. My knuckles! I just hit them on the desk! It's called... Okay, it's called... Ready's called after Ender Tree. That makes sense. Scene enters the scene tree and when play starts. Oh my days, I'm literally trying to get, literally reading through like the Godot equivalent of Stack Overflow right now. Bro, none of these, like, this guy is asking the literal question, like, oh yeah, I understand that the enter tree function is called when a node enters the scene tree, right? And while the node is inside the tree, the child knows of this. Wait a second, I haven't read the entire thing. I tried to pull off the yeah, I understand you kind of move when I haven't even read the entire question. That's crazy. The thing I understand more though is the scene active when I press play, and then the root node of the scene enters the scene tree when the play starts. I'm pretty sure like wait. Oh, Ready's called after all child nodes have entered the scene tree. Wait, what? Wait, that could just break the. Wait, so if you call it like, if you call enter tree on like one of the big nodes which has like a shitload of other nodes under it, you could break things. You could break things for the fact that the entire like child nodes of that node doesn't exist in the scene tree yet. If you get what I mean. Like, I sound like I'm chatting shit, but in my head it makes like it's making the kind of sense that I don't want to make sense of. Enter tree. Okay, this is a good discovery today. This is a very good discovery today. Set multiplayer authority name.toInt. Wait a second. Hold on a fucking second, mate. What is set multiplayer authority? This ain't from this. Is this a node? This is a node. Yeah, this is an oh yeah. I was wondering why I could call this when it was not about the multiplayer synchronizer. It's from node. Okay, sets the node's multiplayer authority to the pair with the given pair ID. The multiplayer authority is the pair that has authority over the node of the network. Defaults to pair ID 1, useful in conjunction with RPC config and the multiplayer API. I guess that's what we're about to see right now. So what? Havana. Huh. I see. Okay, we can do that. How bad is the keyboard, actually? It doesn't sound as bad as I thought. Okay, I guess I'd fancy the pillow though. I'd rather have the pillow. Oh shit! I just muted myself. Meow 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 meow. Wait, what? Where did it turn? Play a scene. Player base. .tcn. Motherfucker. Network player. Oh. Demo multi. Let's go back here. Wait a second. Yeah, pull up with player base. Oh, the auto spawn list. What is the auto spawn list? What is your business? High level, okay. Auto spawn list. High level. Multiplayer spawner? Multiplayer spawner. This class, right? This class, and then what was it? Auto spawn. What? Properties, yeah, these. Is it in yeah, it is in multiplayer spawner. What is the auto spawn list? Is that not one of the properties? Huh? It's not in the docs. Maybe I'm not looking. Okay, maybe I'm not looking too much. But okay, Godot auto spawn list. What does it mean? What do you mean? That looks chaotic as shit. I'm gonna keep going. Set the root node as the spawn path. Okay. Oh, for real? Oh, for real? Okay, let's have 2 for now. Oh, do I need to add a... Oh, I need to add a server and 2 clients. Okay. Okay. Oh my days. Okay, the music is good. The music is kinda like raping my ears right now. Oh hell no. Right, so you're a client, and you're a server. Oh my days, everyone's dying. Oh, See, now this is where the problem controls become a problem. Yep, yep, yep. That's what I thought. Input map action block doesn't exist. Did you mean P1 block? Yes, I did mean P1 block. Let's not get psychotic here. We're gonna have, okay, we already have like a shitload of these, by the way. Let's just make this P1, you know, P1. Replace all. Does that just like save the entire world? Does that give me the Fortnite saved world? Whoa, 1 second. Before I start, I can't lie with you. I need to put you on -80. I need to mute this motherfucker. And now I can't hear shit. That's good. So you're the server, and you're a client, and you're a client as well. What does it say? What does this mean? What? Oh, this is part of the mask. Okay. That's fine. I'll just do the same shit as you. I'll do the same shit as you guys. What? Oh, I see. It's a bit longer. Source player dot player ID, and then I replace all of that. Can I do the same with mask? The mask base.gd. This boy. No, nothing. Okay, nothing's needed here. Okay, we got server, client. I still can't control this motherfucker. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I kind of forgot about that. Yeah, I did a little fucky wucky right here. It's target player. Okay, this time it's target player.player ID. I don't know why, but I put the character controller like as a completely separate component. It's probably no. That's the thing. In the jam, right? I was thinking of making like different types of movement, and that's why I put like the default movement controls into a separate component to the player. Right? I don't think that doesn't make sense. I don't think that doesn't make any sense, right? But like, as you can see, this is like the only controls we have right now, and I'm kind of starting to think that this is probably like the only player controller that we're gonna have, period. So maybe I should put this back into the player, or maybe keeping this as a component just makes the base player what do you call it script a little bit cleaner. Nah, if it works, I don't gotta change it. I don't gotta change it if it works, as long as it works. Whatever. But you don't seem to work. You don't seem to be working here. There we go. Replace all. And now it's all P1. Right? So now there's not gonna be like a gajillion errors harassing me every single time, right? Oh wait, wrong scene. It was a misinput. You calm the fuck down. Boop. Here we go. Harold? Server? Can I move? Oh! 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 Okay, it's just a block action. That's just the block action, right? It's just blocking, right? It is just blocking. Okay. Don't worry about the fact that the player sprites aren't showing. I think I think I know what's going on with that. So I know what's going on, but like still. Oh! Wait, what's that error? What was that one error? Why are you red? What? Why is the? Huh? What's going on? Why is the debugger spitting out a bunch of shit? Why? Oh, does attack? I don't think attack works. What's? Oh, what is this? Files not found. Entity sprite sheets. Play avatars. Avatar name. Jump. PNG. Ah. Huh. What were you again? Who are you again? Let me stop you. Holy fuck, there's so many there's so many issues with this thing. Where is avatar name even used? This shit ain't even an export? Oh. Oh, here we go. Yes, base controls here as well. I need to replace all of you. I need to replace all of you. No exceptions. Boop. Replace all. Is that just it? Is that it? Oh, there's a space in this motherfucker. Let me just like... Let me just like manually change that. That should work. These loading errors, those shouldn't be an issue. I should be able to run this. It's just that the players are going to be completely invisible. But that's fine. You're spawned in. You're spawned in as well. Now... Am I killing the other guy? I don't know which one's dead. Oh. Oh, now dying doesn't work. Motherfuckers don't die anymore. Okay. I can't lie. I can't lie. Thank you, IC Engine. From now on, this is like my lone journey. You know what I'm saying? This is where we split off. Oh, you know what I'm gonna put on? I'm gonna put on like some random YouTube video on the background. It won't be on the stream audio, but like I need some distractions, bro. I need some kind of copium so that I can like at least pretend to concentrate. Also water. Ugh. Motherfucker, how the fuck you telling me that I know, bro? I learned about MPI multinodal and fucking multi-threaded parallelism before thinking about fucking creating multiplayer, implementing multiplayer. I mean, I barely implemented shit, but you know what? If this works, this works, I guess. But that's for now. Wait a second. Wait a second. With the current logic, right? With the logic right now that I'm seeing, right? Mask. Where is it? Here. This boy. Max clients, right? So if I were to make, if I were to initialize the server, let's say. Oh, but this is all in localhost, isn't it? Okay, let's say I have a server, right? Let's say I have a server and I actually have like an IP, like a domain name right here that I can use. All right, because I want to kind of release this Loki as a multiplayer game, right? And so what I'm saying, okay, what I'm trying to ask right now is, if I host a server, I'm gonna only be able to have 4 clients within the entire server. The entire game is gonna have a maximum of 4 players, is what I'm trying to say. What? So do you make a bunch of servers in the same IP? Can you do that? Wait a minute. A port? Huh. Okay, you know what? Let me first of all like print this boy. No? Ah! Okay, what's the problem here? I don't know, I just like had a brain freeze. I'm going through a different problem now. Let's see. Ah, it's being set by here. I remember now. I remember now. This shit. Okay, the player avatar name is being set by right here. It's got nothing to do with multiplayer. It's got shit to do with this thing. Huh. Go to remote. Hold on, hold on. I'm like giga thinking right now. I'm in like giga thinking mode. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Is there a way to set this as player 2? Here. Here. Right? What is his ID? Spawn player. comes from you. And you. Multiplayer.peer connected. .connect spawn player. And this is connected with the pair ID. Ah. Ah. Huh. Wait a second. The client controls are dependent on name. Oh my days. I just realized. Hold on, wait. Godot. Node name dependency. Hold on, I'm asking the Chinese virus. Let me ask the Chinese virus. The player node must have its name set to the player's unique ID for the network system to identify and control it correctly. Okay. The system can no longer find the node associated with that pair if you change the name. I see. Okay, I understand it now. Now, as a failsafe, I have put player name as a separate variable already. Like, I'm such a genius for doing this, by the way. Player, okay. So now that I've got player name, I can... here. I'm thinking right now. Shit. Avatar name? Yeah, I should set the avatar name, didn't I? Hey, where the avatar name? Oh wait. Wait a second. Oh! Oh! Wait. This could work. Why is the avatar name not changing? What the fuck なんだよ. Wait 1 second. Wait, what? So in the client instances, it's not the avatar names aren't named. Huh? Huh. This shit needs to be in the client. I managed to get the players in here. I'm struggling to figure out the how these instances work. So on the actual server side of things, everything's working, right? Things aren't working for these projectiles. One second. What the fuck? Since when did I do that? Brother! Okay, that's the best I can do. That is the best I could do so far. I added some shit and half of it's working on the server side, right? 1 second. I'm figuring out something here. Oh, why were two guys not on the scene there? That makes no fucking sense. The client side is not resonating with the player side. I'm gonna figure this shit out when I have the energy to, but I can't.